So basically, I'm also taking a walk to try to see the level of construction achieved at this very point. Thanks. And it seems to be going well, remarkably well at that. There are just people coming down from an area just right behind me there, an area where they can come down from the bridge and cross over to the other side. If we just flip the cameras now, have a better look at how this is panning out. But in the meantime, you can see the construction machines are still on ground, and it's turning out to be interesting. Interesting indeed. This is a long-awaited project by the Ogun State government. What the previous governor could not do, this one is doing. Although it is slow, but it is steady, and it is still coming through the swamp here. Whenever the river Ogun's bursts its banks, that's what you can see right behind me. This is 360 on that. You can see some parts of what I'm talking about. So pretty much, yeah, this is the point at which so many people are expecting that some good work will be done here. Sometimes in December, the engineer working on this particular bridge tells me that they will be able to have delivered up to 80% of this bridge. Will they meet the target is the big question now. Knowing that the rains are already here, and it becomes increasingly difficult for any construction work to be done. So we're going to be watching very closely and see how people navigate this area for the good of this community in Denro. What can you tell us about the progress of this work?
I can't really say much anyway, but it's just that the progress of the work is kind of slow, and it's affecting people that are working around this area. Some people are working outside. They came from Lagos to work in this Ogun State. So it has not been really easy for people to work there. He's working around there, so it's making, I don't know how to put it right now. Like the work is kind of slow. So it has been faster than that. It's affecting a lot of people.
You don't stay for around.
Yeah,
but what do you see? You like Hamas? They come
I don't like them at all. I beg the government to make it a difference.
You don't like it?
We are suffering.
We don't like it. Suffering.
See my legs are paining.
Suffering too much.
What do you think about this road, madam? What do you think about what you see at the bridge side? Huh? It's terrible, but you didn't have this bridge before.
We have it, but the work in progress is slow.
The work in progress is slow. That is what we seem to be getting from just about everyone we've talked to. But, I can tell you for sure that it is slow and steady, much better than nothing. You believe everything will be okay? Thank you.
Denro.